close-up of the iconic three-pointed star logo on the hood of a pristine 1969 Mercedes-Benz SL. The camera pans slowly over the car's elegant curves, set against a sunset backdrop. Few cars embody the timeless elegance of the 1969 Mercedes-Benz SL. A symbol of luxury, style, and engineering brilliance, this classic roadster remains one of the most iconic vehicles ever produced by Mercedes-Benz. Please speak to the exterior with the slow-motion shots of the car's front grille, chrome accents, and signature rounded headlights. The exterior design is pure sophistication. Its clean lines, compact proportions, and distinct chrome details showcase an era when style and functionality were perfectly balanced. The SL's low-slung body and gently flared wheel arches highlight its sporty personality, without sacrificing its grand touring pedigree. And what say you? What awesome truck! Under the hood, the 1969 SL was offered with a range of engines, from the efficient inline-six to the more powerful V8. Each engine was a masterpiece of German engineering, delivering smooth, reliable performance for drivers who demanded more than just a pretty face. Please speak to the details. Look at the interior, the rich leather seats, wooden trim on the dashboard, and retro steering wheel. The interior is a blend of luxury and simplicity. Every detail, from the supple leather upholstery to the meticulously crafted wood veneers, speaks of quality and refinement. Even today, it feels like stepping into a time capsule, a reminder of an era when cars were built to last. Close-up of the vintage instrumentation, analog dials and switches. Driving the SL is a unique experience. The ride is smooth, the steering is precise, and the car responds effortlessly to your commands. It's a classic that still holds its own on modern roads, combining comfort with a touch of sporty excitement. Switch to shots of the car parked at a high-end car show, with close-ups of admirers. Collectors and enthusiasts often view the 1969 Mercedes-Benz SL as a wise investment. Prices can vary widely depending on the condition, model, and originality, ranging from $50,000 for a well-maintained example to well over $200,000 for fully restored or rare configurations. And the value is only going up. Close as the scene, the SL cruising into the distance, the sound of its engine humming soft. Owning a 1969 Mercedes-Benz SL is more than owning a car. It's owning a piece of automotive history, a timeless machine that continues to captivate hearts decades after it first hit the road. Fade to black, with the sound of the engine revving one last time.